a flash flood warning for Fayette County, Indiana, Union County, Indiana, Southern Wayne County, Northern Franklin County, until 6:30 p.m. At 3:25 p.m., radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Richmond, Connersville, Brookville, Liberty, West College Corner, Glenwood, Lake Santee, Salem, Waterloo, Blooming Grove, Columbia, Metamora, Bunker Hill, Abington, Brownsville, Laurel, Milton, Boston, Alquina, and Everton. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.